Did you know? The Robot Hardware Group are experts in the cleaning industry, with a complete cleaning range designed for every need. Need to cut through grime, tackle tough buildup, and restore every surface with ease? Our industrial cleaning range powers through the toughest dirt, cutting through grease, grime, and heavy-duty buildup with ease. For everyday cleaning, our household range brings the perfect shine, wiping away daily mess and leaving your home fresh, bright, and effortlessly clean. And to complete the job, our brooms and brushes range makes cleaning simple, with the right tools for the right results every time. From big jobs to small messes, Robot has the range to handle it all. Robot Hardware Group, trusted by industry, chosen by homes. Visit Robot Industrial Supplies in Isando or Boysons. Connect with us online. From the smallest bolt to the biggest breakthrough, we supply your success. Robot, the boys with big tools and the nuts to back it up.